Hi sir. Applying VapoRub on feet stops cough. Is it a hack or a quack?
So I would like to say it's a quack that application of VapoRub on the feet has any beneficial effects on your respiration. But as a scientific expert, I would like to say it's a quack. Why? Because VapoRubs contain three essential parts. One is menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus oil. These three things, when inhaled while applied on your neck or while applied on your chest, they do have some soothing effect because of the inhalation. But applying them on the feet, would it help your nose or your chest? No. It is claimed not even by the doctors, neither or nor by the manufacturers.